The Garmin Forerunner 975 is on the horizon, and if recent leaks are to be believed, it could be the most advanced running watch Garmin has ever released. With potential improvements in GPS precision, extended battery life, and brand new health tracking features, this smartwatch may be the ultimate upgrade for runners and triathletes. But what exactly can we expect from this highly anticipated device? How much will it cost? And most importantly, when will it hit the market? In this video, we will delve into everything we know so far, including rumored specifications, possible release dates, and why this watch could redefine performance tracking. If you're a Garmin fan, you won't want to miss out. Fresh leaks indicate that Garmin is preparing to unveil a new addition to its Forerunner lineup, potentially the Forerunner 975. A significant discovery was made over the weekend by a well-known source in the tech and fitness industry, the 5K runner, who spotted a recent Garmin filing with the Federal Communications Commission, FCC. While the filing doesn't disclose specific details, it strongly suggests that a new wearable device is in development. Before an electronic device can be released in the US, manufacturers must seek FCC approval to ensure compliance with regulatory and safety standards. Historically, these filings have been reliable indicators of an imminent product launch, as companies typically complete this process shortly before revealing a new device. Garmin has maintained a steady release cycle for its Forerunner series, with the Forerunner 265 and 965 launching in early 2023, following the Forerunner 255 and 955 in 2022. Given this pattern and Garmin's recent refreshes of other product lines, including the Approach, Descent, Enduro, Fenix, and Instinct series, many believe it's time for a new Forerunner model. The FCC filing, registered under the identifier IP04968, was submitted in December 2024. While it does not provide detailed technical specifications, it suggests that the device could be set for a release before summer 2025. This aligns with Garmin's historical launch windows, as previous Forerunner models have typically been unveiled in March. The anticipation is building, with many expecting the Forerunner 975 to be a substantial upgrade over the 965, featuring enhanced performance metrics, improved battery longevity, and advanced training analytics tailored for serious runners and endurance athletes. One intriguing detail in the filing has sparked curiosity among fans. Garmin Pay is not listed as a supported feature. This is surprising, as Garmin Pay has been a standard inclusion in premium Forerunner models for years. Whether this omission is a mere placeholder or a sign of an intentional shift remains uncertain. However, the absence of this feature has led to discussions about whether Garmin is planning to introduce an alternative payment method or if it's simply an oversight in the early documentation. If Garmin follows its traditional release schedule, an official Forerunner 975 announcement could happen as early as March 2025. Until then, speculation continues regarding the potential enhancements this model will bring. Will the Forerunner 975 introduce groundbreaking innovations, or will it be a refined iteration of its predecessor with only incremental improvements? One thing is for sure, Garmin fans are eager to find out. Aside from battery improvements and tracking enhancements, there are rumors that Garmin may integrate new AI-driven coaching features. These could provide more personalized insights for runners, helping them optimize their training schedules based on real-time performance data. Additionally, the Forerunner 975 is expected to offer better integration with third-party fitness apps, giving users more flexibility in how they analyze and share their workout statistics. Another possible upgrade is the inclusion of a new dual-frequency GPS system. This would significantly enhance location accuracy, making it an invaluable tool for runners who train in urban environments where GPS signals are often obstructed by buildings. Garmin has been investing heavily in satellite-based tracking technologies, and the Forerunner 975 may benefit from these advancements. The display is another area where we could see changes. While the Forerunner 965 featured an AMOLED screen, some leaks suggest that the 975 may include an even brighter, more energy-efficient display. A higher refresh rate and improved outdoor visibility could make this model the best yet for runners who frequently train in different lighting conditions. Another exciting rumor involves expanded health tracking capabilities. The Forerunner 975 could introduce improved sleep tracking, better heart rate monitoring, and new sensors for measuring advanced biometrics such as hydration levels and stress management. Garmin has been steadily enhancing its health-focused features, and the next generation Forerunner is likely to continue this trend. Furthermore, the Forerunner 975 may boast an improved body composition analysis tool, allowing athletes to track muscle mass, body fat percentage, and hydration levels with greater accuracy. This would make it an even more powerful tool for endurance athletes who need to carefully monitor their physical condition. As for pricing, Garmin has traditionally positioned its premium Forerunner models in the higher range, and the 975 will likely follow suit. The Forerunner 965 debuted at around $599, so it wouldn't be surprising if the 975 falls within a similar price bracket. However, if significant new features are introduced, we could see a slight price increase. Ultimately, the Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be one of Garmin's most exciting releases in recent years. With potential improvements in GPS accuracy, battery life, and health tracking, it could set a new benchmark for running watches in 2025. As we wait for official confirmation, Garmin fans can only speculate on what's to come. What do you think? Will the Forerunner 975 be a game changer, or will it be a minor upgrade over the 965? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on Garmin devices and other cutting-edge tech innovations. Stay tuned to Technology in the Future for more breaking news and expert analysis on the latest trends in wearable technology.